Brett Walker, the president of Walker Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Absolutely. The response time of my account manager is right on point. Anytime I have an answer, he's always replying to it right away. Very satisfied with it for sure. Yep, plumbing and HVAC SEO definitely gets us a good presence in all of our community, and I'm satisfied with it definitely. Yes, the digital marketing. We've we've definitely got the calls coming in from it. It is a positive part of what plumbing and HVAC SEO has done for us and has helped us out tremendously. I've tried that and I've failed. I've tried others and I've come back to plumbing and HVAC SEO and I would never go back.